This application has two main input devices. One is the 6D mouse, which we can control the cursor with on the screen. That's used to input paths and select sound nodes and alter paths. The other one is the domino. This is used to navigate the menus available in this application. So if I want to create a new path, I use the domino to open up the menu. I select new path. Then I left click with the mouse and it will start a new path, adding a node every quarter of a second. The color coding represents the time along the path, and next I can choose a sound from our folly. These are the available sounds. Once I've selected a sound, I choose add sound, then I click on one of the paths next to where I want to add it. I move with the domino, I can move up and down, and that is used to position the sound on the path. I right click with the mouse to select to fix the sound node, and then I can choose to play the sound as well. The sounds are played spatially and in time according to where they're placed on the sound path. Also, I can choose to branch a path. I select branch path and then click on the node closest to where I want to branch the path. And the new path starts in the previous time and place of the node I just clicked near. Then I can also choose to add a sound to this branched path. Move it up and down to choose where I want to fix it to. If I play this scene, have these little speakers moving along and they branch when they're supposed to. When the speakers intersect with the sound nodes, they play the sound at the correct time and place. Also, we can move through the scene. The sounds are played relative to where your head position is with the head tracker device. I also have some previously made scenes which I can load. I could save this scene if I wanted to. This one here, the path starts right off to the right and we hear some bees coming along, and then it will, as they come closer, they'll get louder and louder, and then they move off to the left, then they come back to from the left and go past us to the right. Use this application to create several complex scenes that probably wouldn't be capable of being produced by conventional sound studio modeling applications. And I haven't got any sounds attached to these. These are just demonstrations of complex paths you can create with this application. And that's really the main functionality of this program.
You know the day destroys the night, night divides the day. Try to run, try to hide, break on through to the other side, break on through to the other side, break on through to the other side, yeah. We chased our pleasures here, dug our treasures there.